Hi guys, it's Goddess Gal. Alright, today I would like to try the stuff that I just got from Sephora, Living Proof Finishing Oil, and they have the frizz and they just have the dash to cut it off. This one, when I'm at the store, they claim that I told them that I have thin, fine, and wavy hair and it's super frizzy. So they told me this one is one of the best choices that they gave me. So I'm so curious to try it on in front of you guys, and it's really pricey. It's around 30 bucks, and I'll say this one is the priciest hair oil that I ever tried. So let's get started. So I'm gonna part two sides of my hair to do one side for the Living Proof and the other one for L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil. This one is so affordable and it's so famous, I think. So alright, let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna take off my hair towel. I like to detangle my hair with the wet brush. Gonna do so. And after that, I love to follow with this Eco Tools. This one is to help your hair air dry faster. I don't know, I just love using it. It's so good at detangling your hair. I feel like it gives the volume to the roots of my hair when I use this brush. So that's why I'm using it. Feel like this side I'm gonna try the Living Proof. And this one I'm gonna use L'Oreal. So I'm gonna put on 3 drops. Alright, this is the actual product. It said a silicone-free oil treatment. It comes with a dropper. I say I prefer that kind of L'Oreal packaging better. Oh my god, it looks so fancy. And the oil looks kind of yellowish color. So I'm gonna try 3 drops as well. This is the products. A little bit runny. Oh my god, it smells like plants. And oh my god, smell like the actual plants. And not in a good way. But it's so fast to absorb when I put it on. So now it's gone. When I put it on here, it's a little bit oily and leaves a little bit on my hands, if you ask me. But for this one, it's just completely done. Alright, I'm gonna blow dry my hair and let's see the result. Guys, I think right now it's 80% dry. I feel like this side when I put my hand on it, when I use a hair dryer, it feels softer and it's easier to run my hand through my hair. But for this side, I think it looks a little bit messier and harder for my hand to go through it. I don't know, maybe it works. Oh my god. I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is my finished hair dryer look. I feel like this one is more like sleek. Oh my god, my hair feels way softer than before, and it's like it tames the frizziness of here. I don't know how could I say it defines my curl or it makes my hair more straight. I'm not sure. While this side, it looks a little bit messy. So like this side, it's just like I bought it for like $5 around that price because it's always on sale. Me personally, I don't like to use hair oil after I blow dry my hair. I feel like it could be too much and too greasy for my fine hair, if you ask me. So I'll bring these oils with me. I'm gonna go out. I'll keep you guys updated to see like throughout the whole day how does it look and is this like tame the frizz the whole day or not. I'm so shook. Maybe money can buy you beauty. And this side for living proof. Oh my god, it's definitely softer. I'm not joking. And it's not feeling oily or greasy. Hi guys, I'm back. It's been forever and I'm so tired. Anyway, the difference that I could feel is that my hair feels a little bit softer, and when I run my hands, I love to touch it. I'm a person who love to touch my hair and I love to run my finger through them. There's no tangles and that never happened before. My hair always like breaks and have a lot of tangles because it's a little bit dry and wavy if you ask me. But this side, I don't feel that kind of luxurious feeling, so I think it's better than this one. And of course it's so pricey, but I don't have anything bad to say about this one except the smell is kind of strong, smell like plants. I think that's it. What do you guys think? It's soft. Anyway, that's it for my review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hi guys, it's been forever. Actually, this is the next day that I'm using this finishing oil from Living Proof. So guys, I love this oil. I am so impressed by it. I think it's really good for my frizzy hair and fine hair. It's so quick to absorb into your hair. It makes my hair really soft, but the smell just smells like plants. That's the bad thing that I could say about this one, but other than that, I love it. It's nourishing. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.